What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today's market recap is going to be on the S&P 500 and BBOX. So I'll start with the S&P. As you've seen in the last couple of videos, we've been talking about the fact that the market has been caught in a bit of a short-term range high of about 2750 to 2698 low, and you can see that we were just ebbing and flowing, stuck in this range. And as I thought, based on the last couple of videos that I posted, that this range high, this little consolidative area at 2743, which I previously referred to as 2750, has broken out, and the momentum was working in the bulls' favor today. So you can see that we popped out, tested a high, came back in the range, but closed much higher, and we have finally taken out this 8/9 day consolidative state that we've been trending sideways in. And again, we forecasted that it was going to take the upside because of that momentum shift. And now what we'd be looking to do is on Monday, moving forward, we'd want to see trendline resistance get tested. And when that trendline resistance is tested, then we'd be looking at 2790 as a trigger point, which could potentially take the S&P long for a bit of a ride. So that's what we'd be waiting on. If we looked at this 5-minute chart, just to sort of break things down a little bit lower, this is on the SPY, but you can see that there was a very, very, very long, boring range. And like I said, price action was just ebbing and flowing between structured resistance and structured support. It started to move a little bit higher, and then today was the day where it took out that range and closed higher, and now we're beautifully flagging, which could potentially again take us higher next week, taking out that trendline resistance area and testing, if not breaking, 2790. So as of right now, that range has been taken out, and the bulls are taking control of the market and moving things forward. Again, a lot of this comes on the back today of positive news and numbers that came out. So that's obviously a key factor here today. With the movers today, we had a number of plays in our list that showed up, but the big one was BBOX. This was a mover yesterday, and yesterday's movement was a little bit tough. I wasn't really excited about this because it was very, very weak. It was a weak bounce into the close yesterday. I wasn't terribly excited about that, but this morning, it was showing signs of being a runner, and what it did was it actually created a flat top, and there was this situation right through here that we traded this flat top. Now, this was a bit of an interesting trade for me because it did this, like it broke out, it held and did a switch, so resistance turned into support at 175. It got long again and rallied all the way up into 186, and then you could see as I was reading the tape that this thing just started to sell off hard. Dumped a position, and I was up in profit marginally based on size. You can see that price action came back into its range and kind of reset its pattern, and then took another run at resistance. It was actually at this area again, 175, that I got long, and was the beneficiary of its nice clean breakout. It rallied all the way up into $2, pulled back, and then rallied even higher. And as that was turning, then we sold this position in BBOX. On the day, though, this was up 113%. Triple-digit mover. It's what I like to call a monster. So it was a great trade. And like I said, this is nothing more than a volatility trade. I have no idea what this company does, nor do I care. It's just I'm constantly hunting down volatility. And we saw it today in BBOX and did exceptionally well on this. If you have any questions, feel free to email me directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And in the description box below, there is actually a link for you to sign up for our free service called Ask a Trader, which we host on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Don't be a stranger. Sign up. I'll send you some invites and become part of the J. Lewis Trading community. And join us as we talk about how we're getting in front of these trades. And join us in finding out how we're getting our community profitable. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.